So now we will see in this video, after creating the tenant in Azure Active Directory, we will create the list of users. So for this I will go to my Azure Active Directory, and after Azure Active Directory in the middle window you will see manage users, groups, external identities. So when I click on users, so I will see this users one is already been created. Okay, so likewise I can add a new user. Suppose I am adding the new user to be in this identity only. So I will click on new user. Now I am adding a name as mine only. Let's say it's a CHANDRESH. Okay, Chandresh at the rate synoptic day one. It will automatically take the Azure tenant ID, and the name is here. I will write my full name, and the first initials like the first name, and the last initials will be the last name. So, and it will be asking me for password. So if I can also create the password, so I will create my own password here, and the settings will be block sign in, yes or no, job title it will be asking, and I will hit create. So unable to create user. Why? Because the password does not specify the complexity. So I will ask them to auto generate the password. So this would be the password which I will save in my, for remembering it, or one letter I will keep it as capital letter test 1 2 3 4 5 with the first letter TS capital, and then I hit create. So now this group successfully we have created the users in this video. Now when I click on all users review, so Azure Active Directory will give me the list of users now, and it will be a member of this. I can't see the users still now. Again I will click on manage view to edit columns where that group is been there. So okay, now I can see the users. It takes some time in refreshing the things. So I can see the users as Chandresh Chansivale with the synoptic domain as synoptic11.onmicrosoft.com. So these two are two members here. You can see Jacob and Chandresh. So these two users we have created in Azure Active Directory after creating the tenant. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.